Let me ask you something. Would you trust a robot to diagnose your illness? Or to defend you in court? Or even to manage your money? Sounds crazy, right? But guess what? AI is already doing all three. Today we're talking about one of the most controversial questions of our time. Will artificial intelligence replace doctors, lawyers, and bankers? By the end of this video, you'll know the truth. You'll hear the opportunities, the dangers, and the surprising ways AI is changing careers in America. And stick with me, because the ending might shock you. Okay, let's break this down. AI isn't some far-off future thing. It's here, right now, in the US. It's reading medical scans, drafting legal documents, even giving investment advice. Harvard Business Review says nearly 300 million jobs worldwide could be impacted by AI. And guess what? Many of those are white-collar jobs people thought were safe. Why? Because AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't need lunch breaks. It doesn't make careless mistakes. And in some areas, it's already performing better than humans. But before you panic, here's the truth. AI is not just replacing, it's reshaping. Some jobs will disappear, but new ones will be created too. So let's go profession by profession. Doctors, lawyers, bankers, and see what's really going on. Scene 1. Doctors and AI. Imagine walking into a hospital. Instead of a doctor holding a clipboard, you see a big screen. An AI system scans your face, checks your breathing, and instantly predicts what illness you might have. Sounds like sci-fi? Not anymore. AI programs like IBM Watson have already been used to recommend cancer treatments. Another AI from Google Health can detect breast cancer in mammograms more accurately than many radiologists. Wow, think about that. An algorithm spotting tumors doctors might miss. But hold on, would you really feel safe getting surgery advice from a machine? That's the catch. AI can be incredibly fast with data, but it lacks empathy. It doesn't know your fears, your lifestyle, your family history. That's where human doctors still matter. Quick question for you. Would you let an AI decide your cancer treatment? Yes or no? Comment below. I'm curious. Scene 2. Lawyers and AI. Okay, let's move to the courtroom. Believe it or not, AI is already drafting contracts and reviewing cases. Tools like CaseText and Harvey AI are being used in big law firms to speed up legal research. One lawyer once said, "What used to take me 20 hours, AI did in 20 minutes." That's a game changer. But here's the twist. Would you trust AI to argue in front of a judge? Probably not. Law is more than just words. It's persuasion. It's human stories. It's the tone of voice in front of a jury. AI can prepare the documents, sure. But defending your freedom? That still needs a human. So tell me, if you had a minor legal issue, like a contract review, would you use AI to save money? Or stick with a lawyer? Scene 3. Bankers and AI. Now let's talk about money, because we all care about that. Picture this. You're scrolling your phone and an AI assistant pops up. It tells you how to invest, how to budget, even which stocks to buy. Guess what? That's already real. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront manage billions of dollars. Big banks like JP Morgan are using AI to detect fraud in real time. And here is a crazy stat. AI systems now handle more than 60% of stock trades in the US. But again, money is emotional. When the market crashes, do you really want a robot telling you stay calm? Probably not. That's when human financial advisors still matter. Quick one. Would you trust AI with your retirement savings? Scene 4. Everyday life example. Let's make this personal. Imagine you wake up tomorrow with chest pain. Instead of calling your doctor, you ask your AI watch. It runs a scan, tells you it might be acid reflux, and emails a treatment plan. Later that day, you need a rental agreement. You upload a template, AI edits it, and boom, it's legally sound. Then you check your 401k. Your AI financial assistant suggests moving money into safer assets because it predicts a downturn. That's not the future. That's right now. Scene 5. The limits of AI. But hold on, it's not all perfect. AI makes mistakes. There was a case where a lawyer used ChatGPT in court. Guess what? The AI invented fake cases, totally made up. The lawyer got in huge trouble. In healthcare, AI misdiagnosed patients because the data was biased. That's scary. So no, AI isn't flawless. And when it comes to human lives, emotions, and ethics, humans are still critical. Midway recap. Let's recap so far. AI is helping doctors catch diseases earlier. It's speeding up lawyers' research. It's managing billions in investments. But here's the big question. Do you think AI should replace humans or just assist them? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. And hey, if you're finding this breakdown useful, do me a favor. Hit that like button. It really helps this channel grow and reach more people. Advanced insights. Now let's go deeper. Here's the truth. AI isn't about replacing one job with a machine. It's about shifting power. Doctors who use AI will replace doctors who don't. Lawyers who use AI will replace lawyers who don't. Bankers who use AI will replace bankers who don't. See the pattern? It's not AI versus humans. It's humans with AI versus humans without it. 3 big insights you can use today. 1. Learn AI tools early. Whether you're in medicine, law, or finance, learn how to use them. It'll make you 10x more valuable. 2. Focus on human skills. Empathy, trust, persuasion, creativity. These are things AI can't fake. Yet. 3. Stay flexible. Careers will change. Some jobs will shrink, but new ones will grow. Imagine AI ethicist or robot lawyer coach. Crazy, right? If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, and tell me in the comments, which job do you think AI will take over first? Doctors, lawyers, or bankers? I'm excited to hear your take. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.